Welcome to the Boomers Tech Show. I'm Bertrand, your friendly guide to mastering technology. Now, today I'll teach you how to confidently use your iPad in 15 minutes or less. So, whether you're new to the iPad or just upgrading, this guide will cover all of the basics with easy to follow steps. We'll navigate the screen, organize apps, use the camera, and much more. All while taking advantage of the latest features in iPad OS. Timestamps are in the description below, so feel free to jump to the section that you need the most. Now, before we dive in, like this video and leave a comment telling me what you are most excited to learn. Let's get started. On the screen, you got three main features. At the very top up here, you have your notification bar. This is where your battery, Wi-Fi, and any type of notifications that you would have would be in. In the middle, this is where all the action starts. This is where your content will be displayed, and this is where your apps are. And at the bottom, you have your dock. Now this is where you place all your apps, and it gives you access to them. So the iPad uses a combination of gestures and buttons for navigation. Here's how it works. To go to the home screen, you want to swipe up from the bottom of the screen, and it takes you back to the home screen. To access the app switcher, swipe up and hold to see all open apps. Swipe left or right to view the open apps. Tap on an app to open it. To go back, take your finger and swipe from the lower left upward. Now, to get to the control center, you swipe down from the right corner, and then your control center will pop up. You'll notice that you have your home, your music, your Wi-Fi, and additional buttons on the side by simply sliding up or down. To get the notifications, swipe down from the middle or left side of the screen to view your notifications. To dismiss a notification, swipe to the left or tap the X to clear. Using the home button on models with a button like this one, press the home button to return to the home screen. Double press to open the app switcher. Press and hold to activate Siri. The home screen is where all of your apps and widgets live, so let's make it your own. Now, to rearrange apps, simply tap and hold an app and drag it to where you want to place it and drop it, and then hit done. To create a folder, grab one app and place it on top of another app, and then tap the folder, and then tap to name it. Then tap the screen again, then tap done. Tap the screen again, and your folder is there. To add a widget, tap and hold the empty spot on the screen, and then tap in the upper left-hand corner, tap Edit, and then tap Add Widget. Then go and choose the widget that you would like to add. Tap and hold, and drag it to your location, and then tap Done. To remove an app, tap on the app and then tap remove app. And then tap either remove from home screen or delete app. If you want to remove it from the home screen, just tap remove from home screen. The dock and multitasking features make your iPad incredibly versatile. Now, the dock, to access the dock from any app, swipe up from the bottom and you'll notice that the dock will pop up, and just choose which app you would like to access. To add an app to the dock, take your finger and drag it and drop it, and then hit done. Now, as far as multitasking is concerned, you have to use the split view. Open the app, then slide up slightly to reveal the dock. Then drag the second app over to the side and drop it. To do a slide over, drag a second app from the dock and place it in the middle of the screen. It will float. To switch between apps, use the app switcher or swipe up from left or right along the bottom edge. To check notifications, swipe from the top left-hand corner or the middle of the screen. To clear notifications, swipe left or tap the X to clear, and then tap clear. To set up notifications, go to your settings tab and tap on it. Scroll down to where it says notifications and tap on it. Now choose the way you want it to be. Display as count, stats, or list. Whether you want it to schedule or summary. And whether you want your notifications to be announced. And then go back. Now let's talk about the control center. Swipe down from the top right corner. Here you can turn on your Wi-Fi, AirDrop, Bluetooth. And you can scroll down for music and anything else that you have loaded here. Now, if you wanted to edit or to add, you tap the plus sign, and then you tap Add Control, and then you choose the control that you want to add. So we'll take dark mode, tap it, and you can make it larger, longer, bigger. Then tap the screen and it's added. You can also control your brightness from here, your sound, and any other control that you want to use from this screen. Using FaceTime. Open your FaceTime app. It is the green camera app. Tap on it. To make a call, simply choose the individual that you want to call by tapping on it, and then make the call. To hang the call up, you tap the red button. To send text, open your message bubble, type in who you want to send the text to, or tap on your speech bubble, Tap on who you want to send the text to. Type in the message. And then tap the send button. Now next, let's look at the camera app. So tap on the camera app to open it. To take a video, tap the video. Then tap the red to record. And tap the red again to stop. To take a photo, tap the photo. Zoom in or zoom out by pinching the screen. Then tap the white button for the shutter. Take the picture. The picture will show up. Tap on it to review it. Tap your menu to go back. If you want to take a square picture, take the square. Take the picture. Pro tip, if you want to add some light to the subject, tap and hold your screen until you see that box comes up and then scroll up or down to brighten the screen. If you're tired of using your phone's data plan, let's get you connected with Wi-Fi with just a few simple steps. So to get to the Wi-Fi, you swipe down from the top to open the Quick Center. Swipe up until you see Wi-Fi and then tap on it. Tap Wi-Fi settings. Choose your network. Enter your password. Tap join. And now you're connected to the Wi-Fi. Using the internet and Google search. Open your Chrome browser. Tap in the search bar. Type in your subject, and voila, you're there. Pro tip, you can use the microphone to search as well. Go to CNN.com. Now, from time to time, you're going to want to download some apps. So let's see how we can do that. Tap on the App Store. Here you have Today, you have Gauge, you have Apps, you have Arcade, and you have your search. So we'll search. We'll download an app, Signal. Tap Download to download it. And then open it. And that's how you download apps. Well, congratulations. You mastered the iPad here. And here's a couple bonus tips. You can use Siri. Hold that power button and say, "Hey Siri," to ask a question to set reminders or send messages. And you could take a screenshot by pressing the power button plus the volume up button together to capture a screenshot. Now, if this video has helped you, like, comment, and subscribe to the Boomers Tech Show for more tutorials. Let me know in the comment section what you want to learn next. Now, if you got some from this video, I bet you're going to get some from that one right there or there. Sometimes I get confused.